Hey everyone, I'll be showing you top 6 AI avatar apps for free in 2024, available on iOS and Android. The increasing popularity of these top AI avatar applications can be attributed to their remarkable ability to enable users in crafting personalized 3D avatars through the utilization of cutting-edge AI-powered technology. These free avatar generating platforms play a pivotal role in enriching communication, entertainment, and self-expression across diverse settings such as virtual reality environments, social media platforms, and messaging applications. With their innovative features and user-friendly interfaces, these apps contribute to an enhanced and immersive digital experience, fostering creativity and individuality in the realms of avatar creation and utilization. Introducing our first feature in this exploration of top AI avatar apps, Zmoji. This innovative application harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to empower users in the creation of personalized 3D avatars, presenting a vast array of customization options that span from diverse hairstyles, clothing selections, to a plethora of accessories. Notably, Zmoji goes beyond mere surface-level alterations, allowing users to finely tune their avatar's body types and skin tones, thus delivering an unparalleled level of personalization. What sets Zmoji apart is its versatility, enabling users to seamlessly integrate their avatars into a myriad of contexts, ranging from the immersive realms of gaming to the vibrant landscapes of social media and various messaging applications. The app's commitment to enhancing the user experience extends beyond the mere creation of avatars, as it strives to offer a holistic digital environment where individual expression and creativity flourish. One distinctive feature that adds an extra layer of enjoyment to Zmoji is its provision of GIFs and stickers featuring the user's avatar. This not only serves as a delightful and entertaining way for individuals to express themselves but also injects a playful element into digital communication. The dynamic nature of GIFs and stickers allows users to infuse their personalities into interactions, making communication more engaging and visually appealing. In essence, Zmoji stands as a testament to the transformative capabilities of AI in the realm of avatar creation, providing users with a comprehensive toolkit to create digital representations that resonate with their unique styles and preferences. The amalgamation of customization, adaptability, and the incorporation of interactive elements positions Zmoji as a noteworthy player in the evolving landscape of AI-powered avatar applications. But before we move on, if you are excited about keeping up with the latest in artificial intelligence and staying in the know about recent trends and advancements, it is essential to hit that subscribe button on my channel. You'll discover a wealth of content focused on AI updates and detailed tutorials delving into the complex realm of technology. Now, let us delve into our second featured AI avatar app, Loom AI. This cutting-edge application is specifically designed to cater to the evolving needs of video calls, online meetings, and webinars, offering users an unparalleled level of personalization and interactivity through its advanced AI-powered technology. At the core of Loom AI's appeal lies its capability to generate personalized 3D avatars that serve as digital representations during virtual interactions. What sets this app apart is its real-time tracking of facial expressions and movements, providing users with a dynamic and engaging experience in the digital realm. This tracking feature ensures that the avatars mirror the user's emotions and reactions, bringing a level of authenticity to online communication that transcends traditional video conferencing experiences. Loom AI's commitment to customization is evident in its extensive range of options. Users have the freedom to tailor their avatars to reflect individual preferences, allowing for a diverse array of hairstyles, outfits, and accessories. This not only enhances the visual appeal of the avatars, but also enables users to present themselves in virtual spaces in a way that aligns with their personality and style. One standout feature of Loom AI is its seamless integration with popular communication platforms such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. This integration enhances its utility, making it an ideal choice for individuals engaged in online meetings and collaborative endeavors. The ability to use Loom AI avatars in these wildly adapted platforms adds a layer of fun and engagement to professional interactions, fostering a more enjoyable and expressive virtual workspace. Now, let us delve into the distinctive features of our third highlighted AI avatar application, Replika. Unlike traditional avatar apps, Replika takes a unique approach by presenting itself as an AI chatbot that not only crafts a virtual avatar but also delves into the realm of personality-based representation. It employs sophisticated algorithms to understand and emulate a user's personality traits, creating a virtual companion that evolves and engages in human-like conversations. The standout feature of Replika lies in its ability to simulate human conversations with a profound understanding of emotions. This transformative capability transcends conventional chatbot experiences, as Replika strives to provide users with a source of emotional support through meaningful and empathetic interactions. The virtual avatar becomes a companion that adapts to the user's emotional cues, fostering a sense of connection and understanding that goes beyond the surface level. A noteworthy aspect of Replika's functionality is its continuous learning process. The chatbot evolves by learning from user conversations, refining its understanding of the individual's preferences, communication style, and emotional nuances over time. This adaptive learning mechanism ensures that the virtual avatar becomes increasingly attuned to the user's unique characteristics, creating a more personalized and authentic conversational experience. Beyond its role as a conversational companion, Replika extends its utility by offering a journaling feature. This feature provides users with a private space to record their thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Serving as a digital diary, the journaling feature adds a layer of introspection and self-reflection, enhancing Replika's role as a tool for emotional exploration and personal growth. Now, let us explore the versatility and engaging features of our fourth featured AI avatar app, Bitmoji. Renowned for its widespread popularity, Bitmoji distinguishes itself as a dynamic avatar application that empowers users to fashion personalized cartoon avatars. Unlike some of its counterparts, Bitmoji specializes in the creation of playful and expressive cartoon representations, tailored for integration across various messaging platforms such as Snapchat and iMessage. Bitmoji stands out with its extensive customization options, enabling users to create cartoon avatars that resonate with their unique style and personality. Users have the freedom to tweak various elements, including hairstyles, facial features, and clothing, ensuring a level of personalization that captures the essence of individuality. One distinctive aspect of Bitmoji is its seamless integration with Snapchat, a social media platform widely embraced for its visual-centric communication. This integration allows Bitmoji users to elevate their messaging experience by sending their created avatars as stickers or animations, injecting a personalized touch into their digital conversations. The animated nature of Bitmoji stickers adds a lively and dynamic dimension to communication, fostering a more expressive and engaging form of interaction. Bitmoji's commitment to staying current and trendy is evident in its provision of seasonal outfits and accessories. This feature allows users to update their avatars in alignment with the latest fashion trends and thematic elements, ensuring that Bitmoji remains a dynamic and ever-evolving platform for self-expression. In essence, Bitmoji emerges as a popular choice for users seeking a light-hearted and visually engaging avatar experience. Its seamless integration with Snapchat, coupled with the array of customization options and seasonal updates, positions Bitmoji as a go-to platform for those looking to infuse a playful and personalized touch into their digital communication. Whether users opt for a casual, chic, or quirky representation, Bitmoji provides a canvas for creative expression in the vibrant landscape of cartoon avatars. Let us embark on an exploration of our fifth featured AI avatar application, Zepeto. Unlike traditional avatar apps, Zepeto unfolds as a virtual world application that transcends the boundaries of mere avatar creation, offering users an immersive experience in a digital landscape where creativity and social interactions converge. At its core, Zepeto empowers users to fashion 3D avatars with a level of detail and customization that goes beyond the ordinary. Users have the freedom to meticulously tailor the appearance of their avatars, from facial features and hairstyles to clothing and accessories. The result is a personalized digital representation that mirrors the individuality and uniqueness of each user. What sets Zepeto apart is its emphasis on social interactions within the virtual world it creates. Users not only have the ability to craft their avatars, but also to engage with others in this dynamic digital space. This interactive component adds a layer of community and connectivity, allowing users to share experiences, explore virtual environments together, and forge digital connections in a manner that extends beyond traditional avatar apps. The social network feature integrated into Zepeto amplifies the communal aspect by providing users with a platform to showcase their avatars on various social media channels. This not only acts as a means of self-expression but also fosters a sense of community as users share and appreciate the diverse and creative avatars within the Zepeto virtual world. To further elevate the creative possibilities, Zepeto incorporates filters and backgrounds that users can apply to enhance their avatars and create visually stunning content. This feature facilitates the easy generation of unique and eye-catching visuals for sharing on social media, turning each user into a virtual content creator within the Zepeto ecosystem. In essence, Zepeto emerges as more than just an avatar app. It is a portal to a vibrant virtual world where self-expression and social connectivity reign supreme. By seamlessly blending the realms of customization, interaction, and creativity, Zepeto offers users a fun and dynamic platform to not only express themselves but also to forge digital connections and curate visually compelling content within the expansive landscape of the virtual realm. Our final spotlight falls on Boomoji, an engaging 2D avatar application that offers users a delightful avenue for crafting personalized cartoon avatars. Tailored for seamless integration into popular messaging platforms such as WhatsApp, WeChat, and Messenger, Boomoji stands out for its creative approach to avatar creation. Despite not relying on artificial intelligence, Boomoji distinguishes itself by providing users with an expansive range of customization options. Users can meticulously tweak elements such as hairstyles, facial features, and clothing, ensuring a personalized touch that resonates with their individual style preferences. This commitment to customization embraces the artistic aspect of avatar representation, allowing users to create cartoon avatars that serves as unique digital expressions of their personalities. Boomoji takes its interactive capabilities a step further by seamlessly integrating with the aforementioned messaging apps. This integration empowers users to elevate their communication experiences by sending their created avatars as lively stickers or animations. The animated nature of these avatars injects a playful and dynamic dimension into digital conversations, turning routine exchanges into visually engaging and entertaining interactions. A distinctive feature of Boomoji lies in its provision of seasonal outfits and accessories. This thoughtful addition ensures that users can keep their avatars in tune with the latest fashion trends, updating their digital representation to reflect contemporary styles. The app's responsiveness to evolving trends not only enhances the visual appeal of avatars, but also ensures that users can keep their digital personas fresh and in vogue. In essence, Boomoji emerges as more than just an avatar creation tool. It becomes a dynamic and interactive platform that fosters a fun and engaging means of self-expression. While it may not harness artificial intelligence, its dedication to providing users with an extensive range of customization options, seamless integration with messaging apps, and a nod to fashion trends make Boomoji a compelling and enjoyable way for individuals to showcase their personalities in their digital realm. Whether you are expressing yourself in casual conversations or enhancing your digital presence, Boomoji invites users to infuse a touch of creativity and playfulness into their messaging experiences. In summary, the advent of AI avatar applications has transformed our mode of communication and interaction with technology. These applications empower users the capacity to craft personalized avatars in either 3D or 2D formats, suitable for diverse applications such as virtual reality, social media platforms, and messaging services. The array of apps discussed in this article encompasses a broad spectrum of features and functionalities, ranging from avatar creation based on selfies to these generated avatars that closely mirror the user's physical appearance and personality. Whether one identifies as a gamer, content creator, or simply seeks to enhance their online presence, there exists an AI application tailored to meet individual preferences and needs. The highlighted AI avatar apps open up a realm of possibilities, inviting users to experiment with personalized avatars that seamlessly integrate into their digital lives. As you embark on exploring these top-tier AI avatar apps, embrace the boundless potential they offer for enriching, customizing your digital experiences. So, which AI avatar app captures your interest the most? Share your thoughts in the comments section, and be sure to give us a thumbs up share this content, and subscribe for more insights on AI. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to connecting with you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.